More and more domestically made cotton pickers are being used in northwest China's Xinjiang as the vast cotton fields in both sides of Tianshan Mountains ushered in a bumper harvest in October. Abdullah Mahem has been driving cotton pickers for 6 years.
现在我们国家晒面积晒得很干净，速度快，而且售后服务特别好，购买价格也便宜。我每年干晒面积收入4万元，收入也很好。
以前人工采摘棉花，3个石瓜工一天最多能采摘1亩地，现在一台3行采棉机，一天就可采摘180亩左右，有效降低了人工成本，提高了采棉效率，受到广大棉农的欢迎。
Xinjiang is the largest cotton growing area in China. Official data suggest that machinery cotton pickers have replaced manual labor to complete 80% of cotton picking in harvest season in Xinjiang.